Welcome back to my 31 days of summer barbecue. Now we have tons of barbecue recipes coming out over the next month. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a trick and you catch every single one. Day 5, a proper Banoffee pie. Let's get it. Banoffee pie, a family favourite, a childhood treat, and an absolute smashing dessert. We're going to make it today. Now, pack of digestives, we're going to make the base. Just cut those in half, and you're going to get 300 grams into a blender. Give them a quick blitz, but this could be any biscuit that you want. It could be hobnob, could be custard cream, it could be a ginger nut. Any biscuit you desire into your bowl, just make sure it's a proper fine crumb. Once that's blitzed up, you've got to make sure you have everything in place before you add the butter and it starts to cool down. In this case, it's a springform pan lined with cling film with a little cartouche at the bottom. This is going to make sure nothing sticks to the pan and we get everything out really easily. Then we're going to take this beautiful unsalted butter, pour that straight over your biscuits, and then with a Maurice or a metal spoon, give it a good mix. You're looking to make sure every inch of that biscuit is soaked with the butter. Once you're satisfied, pour that out onto your tray very carefully, and then with the back of a rolling pin, just tap that down over the base. Now once that's done and I'm completely satisfied, we're going to bang that in the fridge. So now it's time to make the caramel. First off, you want to get your butter into a pan. Follow that by your sugar, and then we're going to pour this stunning condensed milk over the top. Let that all melt and warm up together. Then we're on the stove, continuously stirring, continuously cooking until you reach a beautiful golden brown consistency. It's thickened, it's golden, it's ready. Now we've got this caramel nice and cool, we're just simply gonna pour it straight over the biscuit. Give it a little tease out from the middle to the outside, making sure it's all spread nice and even. Now one last tap, put that straight in the fridge. That's gonna set up in there happily for about an hour and a half. So the caramel's just about set, we're gonna get our double cream ready. A whole pot into a bowl. We're gonna hit that with some sugar and a good punch of vanilla. And what we're making here is something called creme chantilly. You wanna vigorously whisk this together till you hit soft peaks. Once that's at a stage where it's soft peaks, we're gonna take our bananas. Now I like my bananas fairly ripe. You can have yours however you like, as long as they're not black on the inside and they've got a good colour to them. Get them laid down onto your board. Now at this stage we slice our bananas up. Try and be fairly even when you do this, looking for about just under a centimetre, so you get a nice chunk of banana that you can actually taste. Now take your pie out, release that spring form, peel away that cling film that's done its job beautifully, and then layer that stunning banana all over the top. I like to make a border with mine first, just so any exposed pieces look nice and pretty. And all that's left to do, pick your cream up and just dollop that very generously over the top. You want a big wedge of cream sitting proudly on top of that pie. Now use your spatula just to agitate this slightly, push it around, completely cover the surface of that banana, make sure it's nice and even. Then something my family always do is get a twirl or a flake, frozen, bash it up, and give it a wobble so it's in lots of little tiny pieces, and then take the side off and just pour that generously over the top of your pie. And that's it. It really is as simple as that. With a little bit of time management, it is super simple and really quick and easy to recreate and make a banging dessert like this at home. That's my 101 on Banoffee pie, perfect for your summer barbecue. Thank you.